Namaste. Welcome to Pranayama, balancing earth element and connecting with the earth. This is a great practice whenever you are in need of grounding and rooting, especially anytime, but especially in a season of late summer and in a time of kappa. It's a 6 to 9 p.m. to wind down towards the night to settle in. Bring awareness to earth element today. The earth element is one of the 5 elements of nature, and to activate and to balance earth element, we incorporate the mudra, which is a hand gesture, and the bandha. The mudra supporting today's practice is Prithvi Mudra, Earth Mudra. Let me explain a little bit about the technique. 5 fingers represent the 5 elements of nature. This is fire, air, space, earth, and water. So to balance the element, tip of any fingers goes to the fire. Tip of the thumb connect to the ring finger is Prithvi Mudra, Earth Mudra. We are going to use this mudra today. And come to a comfortable seat. So both hands and rest on the Prithvi Mudra, rest on your knees, on your leg. So you are welcome to sit on a chair or blanket, cushion, block, and come to sit and settle in and close your eyes. Bring your awareness to where your body touches to the earth. Sits bone, legs, buttock, feet. Feel the gravity. Feel the connection with the earth. Your root. Bring your awareness to your root center. Between your right and left sits bone, back of the pubic bone, there is pelvic floor. Muladhara chakra, the energy center of rooting. Feel the energy in your root center. Let's do Mula Bandha breath. We exhale twice and inhale once. Exhale, exhale, inhale. Exhale, exhale, inhale. Continue your breath. Feel the sense of engaging and releasing the pelvic floor and breathe. With the same breath, now gather and store the energy around your pelvic floor using your hand and bring your palms towards the midline. Exhale, exhale. Then inhale to palm lift up, energy up. Exhale, exhale, inhale. And continue, gather and store the energy in the pelvic floor, the root center. Inhale to lift your energy, send the energy up through the spine. Two more times. With the same breath, And same intention, but you may change your hand. Exhale to press your palms down towards the earth and send the root down to the earth. Then inhale, palms up to the sky and send the energy through the spine. Exhale, exhale, inhale. Exhale to root into the earth. Inhale, reach the top of your head to the sky. Exhale, spread your root down into the earth. Exhale, downward energy. Inhale, upward energy. And store your energy and gather in the root center. Continue this breath and with the intention of rooting and building a steady foundation. And store your energy and gather in the root of your body and mind so you can offer it to others. Let's do a few more times. And rest your hands on your knees with Prithvi Mudra, ring fingertip and thumb tips together. You may either palm up to the sky or palm facing down. With Ujjayi breath, inhale and exhale. Let's together inhale. Exhale slowly through the nose. Incorporating Mula Bandha together, inhale. And exhale, relax your pelvic floor. At the end of your exhalation, engage your pelvic floor and lift. Inhale, send the energy through the spine to the top of your head. And exhale, relax your pelvic floor. At the end of your breath, Mula Bandha, squeeze and lift up. Inhale, send the energy up. And exhale, relax your pelvic floor. At the end of your breath, Mula Bandha, squeeze your pelvic floor and lift up. Inhale, send the energy through the spine. And exhale, relax your pelvic floor. At the end of your breath, squeeze your pelvic floor and lift up. Inhale, send the energy through the spine. And exhale, continue this way. Mula Bandha breath. Let's continue 2 more rounds. Ujjayi breath. Notice your peaceful, calm breath and mind. We sit between the earth and sky. Prithvi Mudra, the earth mudra. This mudra helps to improve your concentration and centeredness and rootedness. Whenever you are in need of grounding, rooting, and especially when you feel nervous and desire to feel more grounded and centered before your exam, or adjusting a new place in a work or your living. May this practice support you whenever you are in need of rooted and grounded. Let's together big inhale, hands reach to the sky, and feel the air touching to the skin and moving your hands in the air in the space. And exhale, bring your palms together to heart center. Let us chant Om together 3 times. Let's inhale together. And exhale, settle in. Inhale for Om. Thank you very much for letting me guide us through your practice and sharing your time together. Namaste. In another video, it's called Vinyasa Balancing Earth Element with Izumi. Let us continue to explore the sense of rootedness as element. Thank you for joining. See you in next video. Have a great day.